I was watching a documentary one evening with my significant other, and it was a documentary about people doing really significant, fascinating things. I think a lot of it was I was really hungry when I watched the documentary, and I was craving peanut butter cookies. I leaned over to Molly and I said, "Hey, what do you think it would take to make the best peanut butter cookie anybody's ever tasted?" And she looked at me and she said, "Who are you?" But what I found myself doing is kind of searching the internet for some recipes, and then I made a trip to the store and got some ingredients and just started baking peanut butter cookies. It started off just, baking for family, and then I decided to make a couple batches of peanut butter cookies for my probation apartment. And the rest is, as they say, history. It spread like wildfire that I was baking cookies, and then I started getting these requests to make these type of cookies or those type of cookies, and I started doing that. I wanted to make sure that I could say I made a peanut butter cookie that was really, really high quality. And I entered the Butte County Fair, and I panicked when I was delivering my cookies to get judged, because I saw my competitors and I was like, there's no way I can do this. They've got their cakes and their pies and their cookies, and it looks so much better than mine. But I did it anyway, and ended up getting best of show for my very first competition. And then I just kept on baking and sharpening the saw and just kind of pushing the envelope. And the very first time I entered the California State Fair, I won best of class. And it was a brown butter snickerdoodle cookie. And then I just kept at it, and then recently I won best of show for a coconut oatmeal cookie at the State Fair. When I drop off my cookies, I'm just guessing here. I think the belief is probably that I'm turning in my wife's cookies. But when I go up and get my award, I definitely see some shocked faces. It's an interesting concept, I suppose. I'm a male baker who's fit. There's kind of a shock value to it. It's also just kind of reminding everybody that, bakers and people and all of us, we come in all shapes and sizes and forms, and really at the end of the day, I think I'm viewed just like a competitor like everybody else. Nobody ever wakes up wanting a probation officer in their life, and I get that. A vast majority of the time, just like any government work, we're kind of behind the scenes and we do our thing and quietly. But when you bake and you create something out of your own hands, and it makes people happy and it puts a smile on their face, that's pretty cool. I mean, I get supercharged with that, and it's great to make people happy. That's really good. It's really good. Not bad at all.